What is a fiscal sponsor, and should you use one? Let's talk about fiscal sponsorship, which sounds complicated, but it's actually pretty simple. A fiscal sponsor is a registered nonprofit that lets your project operate under their tax-exempt status. Ooh. So instead of starting your own nonprofit, you're basically borrowing theirs. That means you can apply for grants, accept donations, and raise money without having to file for a 501c3 status, aka a nonprofit, and without having to do all the paperwork that comes along with that. Funders often require nonprofit status to give you money, and fiscal sponsorship is the way around that. Your fiscal sponsor handles the behind-the-scenes stuff, accepting grant checks, issuing donation receipts, sometimes managing bookkeeping, and sometimes paying people. Meanwhile, you focus on the creative or program work. Most sponsors take a small admin fee, usually 5 to 10%, and in exchange, you get infrastructure, oversight, and legitimacy. But every sponsor is different. Some are super involved, some just make the money move, so always ask, what services are included? What are the expectations? And is this a good fit for how I work? Fiscal sponsorship is a great option for collectives, emerging projects, individuals, or time-limited initiatives that don't want or don't need to become full nonprofits. It gives you access to resources without the weight of building an organization from scratch.